Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
One more crack out of you, and I'm going to knock those veneers in your mouth from here to Battery Park.
Been living this lavish, yes I've been had it. I'm a real princess, these bitches is catfish. What's all that static? Catch me in traffic. Been doing this shit, my music is classic. I've been this tatted, bitches dramatic. Fucked it up, made it back.
So I'm sick right now, so I can't really talk that well. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this two ponytail curly look, and it's super cute. The hair that I used was some type of crochet hair, so you can use crochet hair. You don't have to use like tracks or nothing. This was a super cute look, and I thought I was cute. I have a public service announcement that I want to give. I'm so sick. Sick and tired of you haters. Oh, I'm so sick. If you have a problem with my YouTube channel, there's the door. You can exit. You don't have to watch my YouTube videos if you don't like them. I just wanted to let you guys know that. This hairstyle took me like an hour to do, but it was because of all the extra stuff I had to do. You guys are gonna enjoy this video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to become an official member of the Petty Gang. Let's just get straight on into the video. So I started off by doing a zigzag part because I thought it was cute. Next, I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glued and I'm just gonna put it in between the parts of my hair so I can gel that stuff down. I'm just taking my comb and combing everything together. You want to make sure that you comb it smooth because you don't want it to like curl up or nothing. So I just use a comb to do that. Now I'm gonna just take this toothbrush and I'm gonna brush my edges back so that it'll look more smooth. Now I'm just gonna secure it in a ponytail with a couple of rubber bands. Make sure you put it in a ball. Here, I'm basically just doing the same thing I did on the other side. Now it's time for some edgies. If you want a more detailed edges tutorial, make sure you click the info card up there and you can see how I do my edges. Here I'm taking a blow dryer and kind of like securing everything and making it hard so that it'll last way longer. Now it's time to put the hair in. So I got this crochet hair. It's called Kima braid. You can find something like this from your local beauty supply store. And I'm just combing it out to make it look more natural. So I'm gonna take a rubber band and secure it around the hair so that I can attach it to my nappy head. Make sure you wrap it around twice because it'll make it more secure. And you're just gonna wrap it around your ponytail like you would a regular scrunchie, but with this you want to make sure you do it the opposite way instead of the other way. Now you just want to grab a random piece of hair and I'm just going to comb it out to make it look thicker. And you just want to wrap it around your ponytail so that nobody can see your hair. And you just want to secure that with a bobby pin. Now I'm just doing the exact same thing on the other side. Here I'm just combing it out to give it a more full look and to make it thicker. You can really stop here because the look is already cute and everything, but I was so cute. Now I'm just decorating my hair with some clips and stuff because you know we gotta be extra. I decided to take some gold clips too because I thought it would have a little extra effect to it. And that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.